sweet, spicy, savory, and delicious. This lobster in garlic chili butter sauce, an Indonesian Korean inspired dish, trust me, it's going to blow your taste buds away. So let's get cooking. For the full list of ingredients, please check the description below. First things first, we need to make our smooth paste for the base of the sauce. Then, in a small bowl, combine gochujang, sriracha, oyster sauce, sweet sauce, and ketchup. Give that a good mix and set aside. Chop up half of a white onion. This will add a bit of crunch and sweetness to the sauce. Next, bring a pot of water to a boil. Then drop in your lobster for about 3 minutes. Once the lobster is done, strain it and save some of the lobster water or the juice to use in the sauce later. Now we are going to bring out all those flavors. Heat up a pan over medium heat and add butter. Once it's melted, toss in that smooth paste we made earlier and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it smells amazing. Then toss in your chopped onion and cook for another 2 minutes. Now pour in the sauce and mix everything together. To balance the flavors, add sugar, seasoning powder, and salt. And then add a bit of the lobster juice or water to loosen up the sauce. Now the fun part. Add your lobster into that rich, spicy garlic butter sauce until the lobster is fully coated in all that deliciousness. And look at that! And there you have it. I hope you give it a try and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes.
It's good. It's spicy with a little tang on it. It's just good.
Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.